So guys, another thing that we do for our builder partners is obviously we mark up floor plans, right? It's the least pretty job that we do. It's not fun. It's not something that's really imaginative. Well, I guess for us who do, people who do it every day, maybe for some it would be imaginative. But here's an example of kind of what we can do either for you or for our builder partners or someone who's building a new home from scratch, right? You basically get us the floor plans from your engineer, architect, or your home builder. We basically come out, we sit down here, we design out your system of exactly what you want, and we basically lay out a plan for how you want your house to function. They actually got me this for Christmas one year because I actually was like, man, I want a really cool picture to kind of display how we mark up floor plans. And so my director of operations, Alex, actually got this for me, got it done, framed it, put it up. But yeah, so this gives everybody when they come in a good visual representation of what we do, right? Why we're important. Builders always ask, what value do we bring? And this is one example.